of Math Simple Solutions. Okay, we got to read the whole word problem. I know you can do it. The sidewalk in front of Mr. Tracy's house is 21 feet long. Mrs. Benz lives next door and her sidewalk is 27 feet long. How long is the sidewalk in front of both houses together? Write a number sentence and solve for X. Okay, I gotta go back and reread. See, she had 21 feet long and Mrs. Benz is 27. How long is the sidewalk in front of both houses? That's telling me I have to add to find out. 21 feet plus 27 feet. That is how you abbreviate feet. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 48 feet. Please label your work. If it says feet, put feet. 2, fill in the sign to make the sentence true. The alligator always eats the biggest number, so it's going to eat the 793. 3, mentally add 100, 216, 316, 416, 516, and they already have 616. This two-dimensional shape has 6 sides and 6 angles. It is called a hexagon. Draw a hexagon in the box. Well, hexagons are not the easiest thing to draw. So, let's do the best you can. Now we have 15 plus 22 plus 14. Your plus sign goes down at the bottom and draw your line. 1's under 1's, 10's under 10's. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Trade in. 1, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 6. Would a giraffe's height best be measured in inches or feet? Think of how tall a giraffe is. Inches on a ruler stick, this is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, or should we use feet, which this whole ruler stick is a foot? I would use a ruler stick. It'd be much quicker. So feet. You can abbreviate it. 7. Write the base 10 number for 500 plus 2 plus 3. That's 500. Ooh, they put that 2, and that's a 1's place. 30 goes next. 2. They tried to trick you. Hope it didn't work. 8. 135 plus 479. Make sure your 1's under your 1's, 10's under your 10's, hundreds under your hundreds. 9 and 5 is 14. Leave the 4, trade in the 1. 3 and 1 is 4 plus 7 is 11. Trade in. 4, 5 plus 1 is 6. Number 9, you have to look at the graph. On which day were the fewest circus tickets sold? Each ticket is worth 5. You've always got to find your key down here. So, number of circus tickets sold. Which day is the fewest? Well, just look. Which one's the fewest? That would be what? Wednesday. And number 10, look at the graph. How many more tickets were sold on Thursday than Wednesday? Thursday, count by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 goes on top. Minus 5, 10, 15. Subtraction, make sure the biggest number's on top. Can I take 5 out of 0? No, there's nothing to take from. Go to your 10s, make that a 3, put a 1 next to the 0. Now I can subtract 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2. 11, 42 minus 27, subtraction. Can I take 7 out of 2? No, there's not enough. I have to come over, borrow from my 10s, make that a 3, and that's a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Number 12, you got to read it all. In 1 week, Michael swam 346 laps at the pool, and in week 2, he swam 310 laps. Courtney swam 831 laps during the same 2 weeks. How many more laps did Courtney swim than Michael? Write 2 number sentences and solve for X. So when it says write two number sentences, you got to divide your square in half. Put 346 the first week, and he swam 310 the second week. How many is that all together? Add it up. 656. Now, Courtney swam 831, so put the biggest number on top. Subtract Michael's 656. Make sure you have ones under your ones, tens under your tens, hundreds under your hundreds. Can I take 6 out of 1? No. Come over to your tens, your neighbor, borrow 1 from it, make that an 11. Now subtract. What's 11 minus 6 is 5. Now I got to check the tens place. Can I take 5 out of 2? I can't do that. So I got to go to my hundreds. To my neighbor, the hundreds, borrow 1 from it and put the 1 in front of the 2. Now it's 12 minus 5. 7. And 7 minus 6 is 1. 175 more laps. Please label. 13, 66 closer to 60 or 70. Well, here's 65, and if it's 5 or more in the ones place, you got to round up. So round up to 70. Round up to 70. 14, write the base 10 number for 100. Base 10 number for 174. Just write 174. Which shape has 1/3 shaded and draw it? Well, this is 1 out of 3. So you just make upside down Y, basically. And that's lesson 8. Make sure you got the right answers so you can get on your quiz tomorrow. Bye.